Assalamu alaikum. Very good morning. Shubhodayam, Namaskar. Respected dignitaries on the dais, Honorable Registrar Professor S.K. Ishtiaq Ahmad, Registrar MANUU, Professor Abdul Wahid, Dean School of Technology, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, Professor Pradeep Kumar, Head Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, MANUU, respected distinguished participants, respected colleagues, friends, and dear students. I would extend a warm welcome to each one of you to present here on behalf of the Department of Computer Science and Information Technology. I welcome each one of you to 1 week AICTE Training and Learning Faculty Development Program FDP on Artificial Intelligence and Quantum Machine Learning AI and ML. Starting from today, 20th November 2023 to 25th November 2023, organized by Department of Computer Science and Information Technology. Ladies and gentlemen, prayer is a steering wheel that directs the right path throughout our lives. Let us unite our minds and souls in the presence of God to seek abundant blessings. I invite Miss Falak Tuba, MTech second year, to read Holy Quran verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير الذي خلق الموت الحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو الغفور الذي خلق 7 سماوات طباقا ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت فارجع البصر هل ترى من فتور ثم ارجع البصر كرتين ينقلب إليك البصر خاسئا وهو Blessed is he whose hand in the kingdom of all the worlds, and he enjoy perfect command over everything. He who has created death and life, he may test you as to which of you is the best in conduct. And he is almighty, most forgiving. He who has created 7 heavenly spheres corresponding to one another, layers upon layers. You will not find any regularity and disproportional in the system of the creation of the most kind of Lord. So we have meditative and thoughtful look around do you find in this creation. Look around time and again with vision from different angels and with scientific methods. Every time you sign will return to you frustrated in finding an shortcoming or imperfection. And surely we have adorned the lower heaven of the universe with light in the form of stars, planets, other asteroids and meteoroids. We have almost created some of them. Jazakallah.
Thank you so much, Falak Tuba, MTech second year. Now I request Dr. Nair Iqbal, Assistant Professor, Department of CS and IT, to play MANUU Tarana.
ज़बान उर्दू ये जामिया है ज़बान उर्दू का आशिया है ज़बान उर्दू का आशिया है ये जामिया है ज़बान उर्दू ये जामिया है ज़बान उर्दू सरे ग म ग रे सा रे नि ज़ ग रे सा सरे ग म ग रे सा रे नि ज़ ग रे सा सरे ग म ग रे सा रे नि ज़ ग रे सा सरे ग म ग रे सा रे नि ज़ ग रे सा कलाम सारे है दर्ज रूह में कलम से उतरा हुआ बदन है ये इल्म का शहर घर है मेरा मेरा मदरसा मेरा वतन है तालीम का मौसम है तहजीब की फसलें हैं हम रोशनी करते हैं सूरज की नस्लें हैं उर्दू की उड़े खुशबू ये जामिया है ज़बान उर्दू ये जामिया है ज़बान उर्दू ये जामिया है ज़बान उर्दू ये जामिया जो दाना गुजरे थे इस ज़मीं से जो दाना गुजरे थे इस ज़मीं से वो इल्म के बीज बो गए हैं बड़े हुए जब पौधे बढ़ के हमारे कद ऊंचे हो गए हैं हम चांद की पेशानी जब छू के निकलते हैं कायनात में है पाँव और मार्स पे चलते हैं उर्दू की उड़े खुशबू ये जामिया है ज़बान उर्दू 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 ज़बान उर्दू का आशिया
Thank you, Dr. Nayyar Iqbal. Ladies and gentlemen, as we know, the technology is developing rapidly around the world. AI technology comes in all kinds of forms. Automated journalism used for reporting on the stock exchange and sports. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT do more for us. For example, summarizing the text, writing articles, and generating images. ChatGPT turned enabled a robot named Pepper to take part in a discussion with the studio audience also. Now I may request Professor Abdul Wahid, Dean, School of Technology and Director CIT Maulana Azad National Urdu University, to honor with a bunch of flowers as a token of shawl appreciation to Professor S.K. Ishtiaq Ahmed Sir, Registrar, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, is our chief guest today. Professor Abdul Wahid Sir. Thank you, Professor Abdul Wahid Sir. These flowers may speak with you, different colors of flowers. Now I may request Professor Pradeep Kumar, Head, Department of CS and IT, to honor with a bunch of flowers and shawl as a token of appreciation to Professor Abdul Wahid, Dean, School of Technology and Director, CIT Maulana Azad National Urdu University. Thank you, sir. These flowers may bring color to your professional world. Now I may request Dr. Syed Imtiaz Hassan, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Information Technology. Please come on the dais to honor with a bunch of flowers and shawl as a token of appreciation to Professor Pradeep Kumar, Head, Department of Computer Science and Information Technology. Thank you so much, sir. Dr. Syed Imtiaz Hassan. AI is fundamentally changing the world of work. I would request our Dean, School of Technology, please command us with a round of big applause. Ladies and gentlemen, Professor Abdul Wahid, sir, to give the welcome address.
Thank you, Arundhati Madam. Chief guest of the session, Professor Ishtiaq Ahmed Sahab, Registrar MANUU, Head of the Department, Professor Pradeep Kumar, and coordinator of this session and this FDP also. Our technical speaker, dear participants, faculty members, and students. Adab, very good morning. Formally, I welcome you all in this inaugural session of FDP, Artificial Intelligence, Quantum Machine Learning. Our Registrar Saab is here. I know the last date applying that assistance for the AICT, for the financial assistance in AICT for conducting this FDP, we have just one day, I think, and our registrars have given approval in very quick manner, finally, and all the facility from the university side as well as from the guest house in very quick manner, and finally we are here to conducting this FDP in his presence. This FDP is sponsored by AICT under Atal Initiative for the New Technology Enhancement of the Faculty Members of AICT Approved Institute. I hope all participants will be benefited with that FDP and also enjoy this beautiful campus. I also formally welcome Dr. Pradeep Kumar and his team. In लोगों ने, I know how much they have with their hard work for conducting and celebrating this FDP, and we are here to conducting this FDP. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for you are once again welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your warm welcome to all our distinguished participants, colleagues, and dear students. Now I may request our head, Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, please command us with a round of huge applause. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Professor Pradeep Kumar, Head, Department of CS and IT MANUU, for overview of FDP.
The Honorable Chief Guest for this today's inaugural session of Atal FDP on Artificial Intelligence and Quantum Machine Learning. The Chief Guest for today's session is none other than it is our respected and Honorable Registrar Sahab Professor S.K. Ishtiaq Ahmed Sahab from Maulana Azad National Urdu University, our respected Dean School of Technology and Director for CIT, Janab Professor Abdul Wahid Sahab.
Esteemed faculty members, dear participants from the various institutions across the country, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, very good morning to you. It is a pride, privilege, and pleasure, absolute pleasure to see. It is a greatest moment for me to see my all dearest faculty member present this morning before me and along with me to be here to make this program going to be as a success. As far as this Atal FDP program is concerned, we take pride and honor. This is the second time in a row we are going to conduct it at MANUU at Department of Computer Science and IT. 2021 we went for the online session on the data science. 22 we could not get somehow, maybe the high competition and other parameters. This time, this is the first time we are going for the complete 1 week offline program on AI, on this AI and quantum machine learning. And let us get something background about this Atal FDP. Atal is basically a division cell. It is a cell under this All India Council for Technical Education, catering the needs of the higher academic institutions, which is basically focusing on the access, equity, quality with the with the affordability and the accountability to foster the young guys for the betterment of the youth, for the betterment of the country. Keeping in view this one, AICT is funding and promoting the faculty development programs, research-oriented activities like faculty development programs, refresher course, workshop, short-term programs, and it is one of them. As we know, we are in process to implement this National Education Policy 2020. And the fivefold of these policies again stand on and depends on the access, equity, quality, with accountability and the affordability. And how does this AICT or the ATL AICT Training and Learning Center or cell is going to cater off? The All India Council for Technical Education has been in existence since November 1945 as a national level apex advisory body and as a statutory body through an act of parliament in 1987 with its mission of development and promoting quality technical education in the country in a coordinated and integrated manner. The council's constant endeavor is to encourage a meaningful association between the technical education system and research and development activities in a connected effort aimed at the national building. The AICT is committed for development of quality technical education in the country by initiating various schemes, as I said, FDPs, refreshers course, in order to empower faculty to achieve goals of education such as access, quality, equality, and the other parameters. The two broad objectives of this scheme is, first, to support technical institutions in fostering research, innovation, and entrepreneurship through training. Second one, to provide training and exchange of the experiences such as FDPs, orientation programs, learning communities, and other faculty programs. Dear participants, it is with great pleasure and anticipation that we welcome you to this ATAL FDP on AI and quantum machine learning organized by the Department of Computer Science and IT at Maulana Azad National Urdu University in the vibrant city of the Hyderabad. ATAL FDP on AI and QML is meticulously crafted to offer a diverse array of key technical sessions, providing a comprehensive platform for participants to engage with the latest advancement in the AI and quantum machine learning. On behalf of this entire organizing team, including my personal behalf, once again I extend a warm welcome to each one of you. May the next few days will be filled with inspiration, meaningful discussions, and the forging of connections that will resonate long after this FDP is going to over. A little bit something about this quantum technology. The quantum computing with machine learning, often referred to as the quantum machine learning, is an exciting area of research that explores how quantum computers can enhance various aspects of machine learning by leveraging the unique properties of quantum systems, that is basically a physical components. Quantum computing has the potential to accelerate certain machine learning tasks, solve complex problems more efficiently, and address the challenges that classical computers struggles to handle. Some specific topics we are going to cover in these coming 1 week sessions includes quantum data processing, quantum neural networks, quantum algorithms for machine learning, quantum data generation and the analysis, quantum speed up and for specific tasks, challenges and the current limitations. So I think it is going to be a very excited session for all the participants and the scholars, those who are going to attend it. The outcomes of this 1 week complete offline program is to be the AIC Training and Learning Academy ATAL, faculty development programs on AI and the quantum machine learning, will provide an academic platform to researchers and scholars with potential key outcomes aimed at enhancing the understanding, skills, capabilities of participants in these rapidly evolving tasks and the fields. These outcomes will equip participants with the necessary knowledge and skills to explore the exciting and emerging field of quantum machine learning and its integration with the artificial intelligence. I am sure that the discussions and deliberations of this 1 week FDP on AI and quantum machine learning will explore and provide a new platform and paradigm to the faculty and research scholars and take them to the next level of academic excellence in the days to come. With these few words, I take your leave, and once more, thank you very much for being with us. Wish you all the very best. Happy stay at MANUU and happy learning experience going through these 1 week FDP program. Thank you so much. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for overview of this FDP on artificial intelligence and quantum machine learning, for sharing the insights of this FDP to the all participants and colleagues and dear students. Now I may request our dignitary and chief guest, Professor S.K. Ishtiaq Ahmed, sir, to give the inaugural address.
It's indeed a very happy moment for all of us. I feel pride that the School of Technology and CSIT, in collaboration with AICT, is hosting this very important faculty development program. I recall recently, last month only, one workshop was organized by this school only on e-governance, and this time it's a faculty development program. We are really very impressed the way School of Technology is showing its participation at national level and collaborating with national agencies. Last time it was CDAC and this time it's AICT. The topic of this workshop is artificial intelligence and quantum machine learning. It's going to be highly technical sessions, 6 days workshop, with the participants from various university, institution, IIT, University of Hyderabad. I'm told that around 10 eminent resource persons will join for this workshop. Already Professor G. Manoj Kumar from University of Hyderabad is here. Give a big welcome to sir. There will be highly technical sessions. 10 sessions have been planned and various important topics will be covered. I'm quite sure that around 50 participants, 13 our faculty members and others participating from other organization, institution and university, will really have a very wonderful time at Maulana Azad National Urdu University at School of Technology. On one hand, they will learn the technical advancement that is going on in the field of technology. You are master of this area, you know these things, the importance, how artificial intelligence is going to be important in covering various aspects of technology in our day-to-day life. It is very important and prime project of every institution, every technical institution, even UGC, Ministry of Education, AICT, everybody is supporting, giving all sorts of support to develop various programs related to artificial intelligence. I am very happy that Maulana Azad National Urdu University is also one among the premier institutions who are collaborating with major agencies in India and abroad, and they are trying to develop this area as one of the prime area for our institution. I am very happy that our research scholars are also participating in a good number, though they are not directly part of the faculty development program, but it's a great opportunity for them that they will be interacting with our resource persons, our experts, and they will be learning many more things by just being associated with this faculty development program. Our teachers at School of Technology are working day and night to make this program and other programs successful. Just Professor Vaisa was telling on first and second also one international seminar will be inaugurated at this school. So all this shows that how vibrant our faculty members and research scholars and the entire technical team is, and how we are progressing. I'm really impressed and thankful to all of you for making this successful. Most of our resource person will join as per their schedule. I do wish that their presence in this workshop will be very meaningful for all of us. University is always ready, always welcome to extend any kind of support related to holding any workshop, any international conference. I recall Professor Pradeep Sahib and Vice Sahib discussed me about that. Only one day was probably left, and university had to apply. The School of Technology had to apply it with AICT. I said, don't miss even a single minute. I am here in office. Just come, we will get it approved. I got it approved with the Vice Chancellor Sahib was there also, and he immediately applied, and very happy that we got it. This is second time, in a short span of time that MANUU has got this opportunity. It was, I think it was 2021, and this time it is 2023. And most important that it is offline. It's a complete offline program. So I'm very happy, and I wish that this program, this workshop will really help our faculty members, our participants, as well as our participants from other institutions. And we will be learning a lot, and our research scholar, PG students and other will be benefited out of this faculty development programs. Thank you very much. And I do wish that the forthcoming international conference will also be a big success. Thank you very much.
The role of a good leader is not to give greatness to human beings, but to help motivate rightly execution of different programs under the leadership of our Dean Sir, Head Sir, and all the faculty members, with the support of our Vice Chancellor, Honorable Syed Ainul Hassan, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, Hyderabad, and our chief guest, Professor S.K. Ishtiaq Ahmad, Registrar, Maulana Azad National Urdu University. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. And thank you so much for your blessings for our international conference going to be held in December 1st and 2nd. Thank you so much, sir. Most of our headlines are being generated by so-called ChatGPT, which are able to produce text, images, videos, and computer code independently. However, the innovative power of these developments will depend on how AI put to use. Today we are going to learn all these things. Now I extend my warm welcome to our today's speaker, Professor G. Manoj Kumar from University of Hyderabad. Today he is going to speak on statistical significance in AI and ML. I am warm welcome to you, sir. Cultivate the habit of being grateful for every good thing or bad thing that comes to you, and give thanks to this universe continuously. Let me invite our dynamic and young faculty member, Dr. Jamil Ahmed, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, Arundhati ma'am. Respected Chief Guest, Professor Sheikh Ishtiaq Ahmed, Registrar MANUU, Dean School of Technology, Professor Abdul Wahid, and Head Department of CS&IT, Professor Pradeep Kumar sir. I, on the behalf of Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, which is a part of School of Technology, express thanks to Atal Division of AICT for giving us the opportunity to conduct this program. I am also thankful to MANUU authorities for helping us in approving and conduct of this program. I am thankful to all the participants who came here to attend this program, and I hope that they show their active participation, insightful contribution, and dedication to the professional development of this program. I am also thankful to the resource person, especially Professor Manoj sir, for accepting our invitation to deliver the lectures in the coming sessions. Lastly, I am thankful to the staff members of MANUU, especially IMC MANUU staff members, for helping us in recording the video of this program. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Jamil Ahmad. Always believe that something special awaits you each day. You need to encourage, recognize it, and make the most of it. Have positive attitude throughout your life, and then that is this 1 week FDP is going to be the best in your career life. Thank you, and wishing you all the best and good luck. Now I request Dr. Nayyar Iqbal, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, to play National Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे